Tomorrow is cruise day, so I want to show you guys how I pack up my cruise day bag, my embarkation day bag. So in the front zipper here, I just have my daughter's birth certificate and our insurance paper. And then I always have an extra luggage tag just in case. I just shove it in there. And then my daughter needs plastic straws, which Royal had them last time on Oasis, but no guarantee. So have those in there. And then this is just feeding tube supplies. So anything that goes into my here is basically what I could survive with the whole cruise if I absolutely had to. So if for some reason they lost my luggage. So I have her emergency kit, which no matter what travels with us. And then her feeding tube supplies. This is the feeding tube supplies for tomorrow. And then her tubie pads. And then this is probably more what you guys would normally have for most of you. But for her, I also have diapers and wipes and a change pad. But this is what would be my, like, if I wasn't traveling with a child. Cute child. Right there. So I have a change of clothes. Full change of clothes. Socks, underwear, bra, pants, and t-shirt. Traveling Beyond Boundaries t-shirt. As well as a full change of clothes for her. So small cabin zero bag for that. I have my scrubba because I can hand wash clothes, so I'm not currently wearing my cruise day outfit, neither is she, but we would have our cruise day outfit plus this outfit, so we'd have two outfits. Not ideal, but we could wash one, wear one, if for some reason we had no luggage. And then in here will be her phone, which she currently has with her, and then this is all like my charging stuff on the other side. But my charging stuff, my card, my flash drive for my phone when it fills up, all that stuff in here, so that way I'm good to go for electronics. So basically a change of clothes and medications. That's all I really travel with. And then I have enough diapers for 2 days just in case, but if Royal lost my luggage, that's on them, or Princess or whoever. I pack the same regardless of which cruise line I'm going with. Royal or Princess, I probably wouldn't bring my scrubba because Princess has laundry for me, and if they lost my luggage, I would hope they'd let me use it for free, but I'm actually elite with them, so I get free laundry anyway. Plus they have self-serve laundry, so don't know that I would pack this, but I might. But anyway, so in here I usually just put her tube stuff, and then I can just pack it up. So this is the Cabin Zero. This is the 28 liter. I am loving this bag. I'll try to remember to link it down below, but I love this bag. It fits as a personal item, so this is the only bag that I'm traveling with right now, and probably, other than maybe Norway, probably the only bag I will use going forward. Hopefully, come Norway, this stuff will not be needed, because this little thing should hopefully not have a feeding tube anymore. But, yeah, so with her, I don't use a lot of feeding tube supplies right now, just syringes and extension kits, but for some people, they might need more than that. But anyway, the Cabin Zero fits right under the seat ahead of us, so I can bring it on as a personal item with no worries about fitting in overhead or anything like that. I have stopped doing that because carry-on space is at a premium these days. So instead of fighting, just bring this backpack, and that's what I pack in it. So embarkation day, that's what I bring on every cruise, because just in case our suitcases get lost, I'm good to go. Anyway, packing up. Thanks for watching. Check out this video here if you want to see more.